Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Toyota keyless entry remote, okay, used for different years, different models, Camry 02 to 07, Solara 02, 03, and a few more. The battery you will need is a CR2032, okay, and you can click on the link below to get it online. Very easy, all you need is a flathead. So what I do, as you can see, there is a small gap right here, okay? So I take the flathead and I turn it clockwise, very gently, okay? Once again, right here, clockwise, very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, and it opens. Now make sure that you flip it over and you remove this part, because these parts here, okay, may move, so make sure that you keep it intact. Now all we have to do is to remove the battery, okay? So I take the flathead and I gently push it like that. Now this is a good battery, as I said, CR2032, so I'll use it again. I simply slide it back in. Okay, just like that. Take the cover back. And that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're seeing. Thank you.